Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your wallet name on the OKX Web3 Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address or phone number and your password. After logging in, tap on the wallet option at the top section to access your Web3 wallet. Now you will be shown all of your wallets underneath the search box. Just click on the drop-down menu, which will now show you all of your wallets. In order to change the name of your wallet, tap on the Manage Wallet option. Now tap on the main wallet that you wish to change the name of, and now you will be able to change the name right away. Just enter your preferred name, and then tap on Confirm. You can also change the name of the account within this wallet. Just tap on the three dots alongside of the account name, and then press the Edit button alongside its current name. You can now enter your preferred new name for your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your wallet name on the OKX application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.